If Discord is showing error 3002 and your microphone is not working, don't worry. This is usually a simple settings issue that you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to solve Discord error 3002 on Windows by checking your microphone permissions, updating Discord's audio input, resetting voice settings, and making sure Windows volume settings are correct. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get into it. First, we need to check your Windows microphone permissions, because if Discord is not allowed to access your microphone, it may fail to detect your input properly. To do this, open Settings on Windows, then go to Privacy and Security, and click Microphone. Here, make sure microphone access is turned on. Also check that Let Desktop Apps Access Your Microphone is turned on as well. This step is very important, because Discord is a desktop app, and if this permission is disabled, Discord may not be able to use your mic at all. Once that is enabled, open Discord and go to User Settings by clicking the gear icon near your profile. On the left side, click Voice and Video. In the Input Device section, do not leave it set to default if you are having problems. Instead, manually choose your actual microphone from the list. Selecting the exact device can fix detection issues, especially if you have a headset mic, USB mic, or built-in laptop microphone connected at the same time. Sometimes Discord picks the wrong device automatically, so this is one of the easiest fixes to try. Next, while you are still in the voice and video settings, scroll all the way down and click Reset Voice Settings. This will restore Discord's voice configuration back to default and can clear out any incorrect audio settings that may be causing error 3002. After resetting, Discord may ask you to reconfigure some voice options, so go back and make sure your input device is still set correctly. Now we need to check your Windows microphone levels. Right-click the speaker icon in your taskbar and open Sound Settings. Under the Input section, make sure the correct microphone is selected. Then verify that it is not muted and that the input volume is turned up enough. If the microphone level is too low, Discord may think your mic is broken even though it is actually just too quiet. You can also test the mic here to confirm that Windows is receiving sound properly. If you are using a headset, USB mic, or Bluetooth device, it is a good idea to unplug and reconnect it once you have checked these settings. Sometimes a quick reconnect forces Windows and Discord to refresh the device and apply the new settings correctly. If needed, close Discord completely and reopen it after making the changes so it can reload the microphone configuration. At this point, Discord error 3002 should be fixed for most users. The issue is usually caused by a permission problem, the wrong input device being selected, or a muted microphone level in Windows. By following these steps in order, you are giving Discord a clean audio setup that should let your mic work normally again. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Discord and Windows troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.